Going into 2024, I'm talking with all my clients, solo entrepreneurs, small business owners, and even large businesses to do these three things in 2024 right off the bat to make sure that the year starts off with a bang. So let's get into it. First thing is to call all your vendors and clients. Give them a call and just ask a couple easy questions. One is ask them how we are doing, as in how are we delivering on our value promise to you as a client, and how are we delivering on our value to you as a vendor. Calling up to your prime supplier and just say, hey, is there anything we can do better? Are we meeting that value proposition? Now, most of the time they're just gonna be like, nah, you're good. Just keep doing your thing. There's a chance you might get some nuggets, which leads into the next question. Is there anything we can do to help you be more successful? That is such an empowering question to ask for your clients, because you may be getting feedback say, nah, keep on doing what you're doing. Same thing with your vendors, like, no, you're fine. Or in the case that I've seen with this question quite a bit is there's been something small that's been nagging at them, but it wasn't worth really bringing up. This allows them to say, hey, you know what? If there's any way we could get that TPS report 2 weeks in advance, then we're currently getting it. That would be great because it slows down this part of our operation. And you have it within your ability to do that. You're starting off 2024 as a good partner, and they're going to remember that. And that's what you want to have with your clients going into 2024. All right, number 2, double check your web presence. Right, just get somebody on it and have them check all the dates, any notices. You have your little notes out there, and then especially particular with your social media side of the house, you want to keep your social media, your Facebook feed, your Instagram feed. Those should look like a menu of offerings going on for what's going on in your business. They should not be for announcements. So you go through and say, hey, we're closed on the 25th and 26th of December. By January 2nd, that notice should be deleted off of your Facebook page. Same thing with your Instagram, wherever else you're at. So just keep that in mind. Keeps it fresh. The other one is just give your website a once over for old crap. Just do it top to bottom and just see if there's anything that just could use a refresh, even just a new photo or even maybe a little change on, where the layout. Take a look at it. Give 10 minutes. You'd be surprised at how quickly just shifting a few things around will help you in lead generation. And number 3, right now, after you hit like on the video, of course, and subscribe, I want you to open your calendar. I want you to schedule some thinking time. Mark it off in your calendar. Minimum of 30 to 45 minutes a week. Just find time, a block it off. And it's for you to take a breath. Just take that breath. Look at what you've been doing. It's too often you're getting stuck in everything that's going on. And in reality, what you should be looking at is, hey, what am I actually spending my time on? And it'll help you focus. And with that, once you get in the habit of this, use this time as a way to focus on the week ahead. So right now, open that calendar, just schedule that time and have it be recurring. And that cannot be changed. I want that to be as sacrosanct as possible. That is time that you block off that is not available for anyone. That's your time. All right. So those are the 3 things that I am talking with clients about going into 2024 that are going to make them much more successful into 2024. With that, like, subscribe, and follow, and I'll see you next video.